Guys, garden check. Oops, there's trap, but you can get back. Okay, this is my honey shop. So guys, this is my honey shop, and this is my summer shop. This is my lilac. Look how much my lilac is. Okay, this is the playground. This is the honey shop, and this is the summer shop. And this is my honeysuckle, guys. Look at the mutations. And this is how I hatch my eggs. This is where I hatch the eggs. And this is my moon melon. Look how much my moon melon is. Boom, boom, boom. Okay guys, that's all. See you later. Bye-bye.